guys, we're going to be doing a video opening my fashion fidget I just got on my porch. We're going to open it soon after we look at it. Okay, let's see on the back. You can click it, you can spin it, and you can pop it, and you can turn it. Okay, now we're going to open it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so cute. If it has 4 or more, it can be rare. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. This is a rare one, I think. Let's check its name. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it now. Let's see which one I got this one. It's called Ollie. These are all the ones you can get. And bubble wrap came with it. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and the notification bell